A metal cube of length 4 cm radiates heat at the rate of 10 joule per second. Find its emissive power at given temperature. This question is from radiation part, which is there with kinetic theory of gases. So let us write down given for this question. We have been given length of the cube, which is 4 cm. In meters, that is in SI unit, it will become 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. The area of one side of the cube is equal to L square, which is 4 square into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square, which is equal to 16 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. So for all 6 sides, area A is equal to 6L square, which is equal to 6 into 16 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square, which is equal to 96 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. They have also given us Q by T, that is rate at which the heat radiates. So that Q by T is equal to 10 joule per second. To find emissive power, that is capital E, we have to find out. Calculation part, we know emissive power formula is equal to Q upon AT. So we can substitute the values here. The value of Q by T, that is this particular value, Q by T, they have given us, that is 10, and in denominator it will be 96 into 10 raised to minus 4. So now if we do some mathematics here, if we take this 10 raised to 4 in the numerator, then it will become 10 raised to plus 4. Already there is 10, so 10 raised to 1 plus 4 is 10 raised to 5. So 10 raised to 5 in numerator upon 96 in denominator. So if we take reciprocal of 96, then we get the value as 0.1042 into 10 raised to 4. If we adjust this decimal point with this number, then this power with this number, then we will get the number as 1042, and the unit is going to be, so here Q will have unit as joule, A will have meter square, time will have second. So joule per meter square second. So this is going to be our emissive power. At the end, write the statement. Emissive power at given temperature is (1042) joule per meter square second.